How to create your first Voki. Today, we will create a Voki. A Voki is a talking avatar similar to the Chatterpix app we've used on our iPads during STEAM. You know what I'm talking about. Remember this when you click on the play button? Hello students, it's Miss Nikki. How are you today? So that's it for my talking flowerhead. Now let's get you cool cats and kittens started. First, go to Google. Type in Voki in the search engine, V-O-K-I, and it will be the first result to come up. This is what the Voki homepage will look like. Since this is your first time trying Voki, you will have to sign up for a free account. This way, all your work will be saved. Now click on the orange button where it says try it, it's free. Good job so far. Now we need to fill in a few details. Please ask an adult or older sibling to help you. Once again, we're creating a free basic account. Yay! Now you have a Voki account. Hope you wrote down your password so you don't forget it. Now, let's fire up our creative engines and go create our first Voki. You will notice a random Voki has been selected by default. In this case, I have a pink bunny. But here's the fun part. You get to pick your own Voki. Click on the Create button on the top, then click on this head icon to select a character. Scroll up or down to explore different characters. Or, check this out, click on the cube right here and a random Voki will be generated for you. Keep clicking to see what comes up next. How fun is that? After you've selected your character, the fun does not stop there. Now you get to customize your Voki. Say what? Let me change my background so you can take a better look at what I mean. I'm going to go to background and choose a solid color so you can see the difference. Ah, much better. If you want to take a break, stop the video here or you can keep going. I am going to click on the second icon to change my t-shirt. I think I'm going to look for something I usually wear. Let's see. Nope, not me. Going to keep trying. Ah, here's a hoodie. That's more like me. Now I'm going to change my hairstyle. I'm gonna look for an updo. How about I'm gonna scroll to the bottom. This one. I like it. Maybe a cool pair of sunglasses? Haha, I like that one. Look at cool Miss Nikki. You can also add some bling if you like, some cool jewelry. You can change your eye color, your lip color. You can even add makeup. Have fun with it. And after you are done, the last step is to add your voice. To give your free Voki a voice, we're going to pick the last icon, the voice icon. Now you have several options to do this, but we're going to pick our built-in microphone to record our voice. So all of our computers has this microphone. Then you're going to click on the red record button. A window will pop up asking for permission to use your microphone. You will click on the blue allow button and start recording your message. You will notice the scale at the bottom fill up. This tells you that your audio is recording. When you are done recording your audio, just click on the black square and your audio will load. Then you can listen to your message. If you're happy with your message, keep it and click save, or you can re-record. I'm happy with my free dog, Voki. I'm going to go ahead and click save at the bottom of my screen, and I'm going to give my Voki a name. I'm going to type in my message, then click save. A few seconds to load, and there's my Voki. I'm going to click on the link icon. Once I've clicked on it, I can see my URL right there. I'm going to copy URL. Now I am going to post my URL on the Steam Padlet wall. I'm going to type in my title, Miss Nikki's message to 4th grade graduates. Click on the link icon, and I'm going to paste in my URL, click save, and it's loading up. And there is my message. I'm going to click on it, and there it is. I think the 4th graders are going to love this Voki. Good luck, guys, and I hope that you had as much fun as I did creating these.